is going to be an BOXYCHARM unboxing. I am filming this at like midnight. This month's theme is game-changing products in here. I'm actually really excited for this month's box because I was looking through it earlier so I can see like what makeup to put on my face. And I noticed a couple of skincare products, and I always love trying skincare products in the box because I never buy skincare. Unless it's like something new at Sephora that everybody's been talking about, like I don't really buy skincare these days. So I'm really excited to see that we got some skincare and some good brands. Like we have Frank Body, Rare Beauty, and I've been dying to try the Lauren Conrad brand, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this guy. This is Gen Skin, and it's their Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. I don't wanna use, I have the urge to go in with my teeth, but I won't. Every time my grandma would see me like open things up with my teeth, she'd get so mad. Probably not good for you, honestly. And pretty gross, I would say. But I've actually never heard of this brand, Generation Skin. Must be a new Gen Z thing. I'm too old. But it comes with a little spatula right here, so you can just like, oh, it's very wet in here, oh boy. So you can just scoop it out. Oh, there's a little thing on top. Okay, I was like, what? All right, okay. Oh, they rip easily. Be careful. I love this color. Oh my gosh, imagine a nail polish this color. And I know I have a million blues, but like a jelly blue like this, I swear to you, I never know if an eye patch goes like this or the other way. I don't know. It's the other way, isn't it? Oh well. Is it like this? No, that's not right. That's not right. It's like this. Wow, these are very slippery. Very slippery. It says it's got algae straight from the sea. So, algae's slippery. Oh. Okay, back on there. It's like traveling down my face a little bit. You gotta leave these on, push them up, de vez en cuando, tú sabes. And it says it's jam-packed, and I feel it. This is jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around the eyes, it helps firm, yes, amazing, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. If you're looking for dewier, fresher looking peepers, use them ASAP. That's what this says. I like that. You know what, BOXYCHARM? I am looking for more fresher looking, dewier looking peepers. I am. So thank you. Wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes and then gently peel off the patches and lightly massage the remaining serum into the skin around the under eye area for maximum results. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit here and scroll TikTok for 15 minutes. BRB. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I couldn't do 15. I just couldn't. I am impatient. I'm just gonna rub that in, tap that in, and I should use this finger, right? It's more delicate. I'm already rough as it is. Honestly, my under eyes feel amazing. I don't think I'm gonna see a difference the first time I use it, but my under eyes kind of feel like almost tight, like really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Really, really nice. Hydrated, fresh, awake. I like that. I really like that. Okay, and then there's another skincare product in the box, which is really exciting because it is from Frank Body. And I used to love their coffee body scrub. I used to use it all the time when I lived in Key West. And it's just been so long, I didn't even realize they had so many other products. I remember when Frank Body was like just coffee body scrub. And so this is their Brightening Vitamin C Mask. It's packed with vitamin C, rich cacao plum, to reveal your brightest, clearest skin. It dissolves your dead skin, your dull, damaged skin with papaya and pineapple extract, along with lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. Ooh, yummy. And yeah, it's good for acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, fine lines, and all that good stuff. I love their little packaging too. So adorable. Looks like a little deodorant. I'm actually gonna try this on really quickly for you guys. It says to apply a thick layer to clean skin, rub in circular motions for 30 seconds, and leave on for 5 minutes, and then rinse. So, I knew that was a serum. Why did I think like an exfoliator was gonna come out, like a rough exfoliator? I don't know, but I'm just gonna rub that onto my skin in circular motion. Guys, are you proud of me? I did my own nail art. Look at that. I made these daisies myself with a little dotting tool. How cute. I used her new spring collection, except the yellow. The yellow was from summer, but all the other colors just came out for spring, and I love this little nail look. I feel so Gen Z, but yet so 90s at the same time. I'm kind of starting to feel this tingle on my skin. Let me see, I gotta leave on for 5 minutes. And then I will come back and let you know in 5 minutes. Okay, I've rinsed my face and I'm feeling good. My skin feels really, really tight and clean. And I'm one of those like hypochondriac, placebo people, you know? So I'm like, man, is my skin exfoliated? I feel like I can see a difference already. I don't know how often you have to use this serum, but I feel like a smoothness and a tightness that I didn't before. My skin is feeling really nice right now. So I guess I'm ready for makeup. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dive into the primer because we have a Rare Beauty primer in the box. I actually have this, so I'm gonna pull mine out. This is the Always an Optimist base, and it looks like this. And basically, this is a cooling water-based gel primer that smooths, hydrates, and illuminates the skin and preps it for makeup. I don't really use this primer that often, and not because I don't like it, it's just because I have 1,000 primers and I'm a creature of habit. And I use my Laneige one like every day. But this is a really, really nice one because it's almost like a mixture of a pore minimizing primer and an illuminating one. It kind of gives you like the best of both worlds. So if you want to fill in your pores and still give yourself like that smooth base, like that smooth canvas, but still with a little bit of glow, I think you will really like this. It's definitely like a really good base for makeup. Good stuff, good stuff. Really excited to see Rare Beauty in the box. And then of course we have some brushes, I'm assuming. These are brushes. That's another product I love receiving in BOXYCHARM, brushes. I buy makeup all the time, but I am never buying brushes. Oh, we got a new sponge, how exciting, I didn't know that. Oh, I'm gonna put on my under eye concealer with this. And then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I thought they were gonna be purple, but they're this really pretty mint color. Oh, I love that. Oh, these are really good. Like, the type of brushes I use often. Maybe not this one so much, but these two, oh yeah. I'm going to use them today. I'm gonna do my makeup really quick, but I'll film myself doing my eyes so we can see these in action. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the last product in the box, might as well, before I dive into the eyes, since the last product is an eyeliner. And I'm really excited. This is the eyeliner by Conrad, and it's in the shade Onyx. They're black. And it says it's a lightweight, non-smearing formula. Hopefully it's very black. And the packaging is really cute, nice and simple. It doesn't look like it's so black. It's almost painting out like it's kind of dry. What? I'm pushing hard. Interesting. We'll see when we get there. Really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, use these products. I'm gonna speed through this process a little bit, add a little music for you guys. I'm gonna watch the H3 podcast, and yeah, and then I'll be back to give you my thoughts. Okay, I'm back. So I just finished my makeup, and let me tell you, I do really like the Conrad eyeliner. Once I gave it a good shake, like a really good shake, all the ink came down, and I found it really easy to use, super matte. So I really liked that. I'm wearing the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer, which is one of my favorite concealers ever. But there was something about the way that this sponge applied the concealer. It was so smooth. Like, I want to keep this on my vanity and use this sponge for all my concealer. I don't know, there was something about the way it looked, like just so flawless. I really liked it. By the way, I'm wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, which by the way is currently in the BOXYCHARM premium box, which is exciting. I know I mentioned that in my last month's BOXYCHARM video, but it's still being offered in the premium box, so yeah, go check that out. And then I'm just wearing my Ilia bronzer. Oh my gosh, I'm not wearing blush at all. I'm gonna throw on my little Flower Beauty Spiced Petal blush. I forgot to put my blush on. I'm wearing my Algae Cosmetics Dulce Lip Liner with a light lacquer gloss on top that I am currently working on. And yeah, I'm really into all the products I tried out in the box. I'm not gonna lie, I like the skincare, those eye patches, this face serum, the Rare Beauty primer. Everything in the box this month was actually really, really good. I really enjoyed it, and I see myself using pretty much everything, so that's really exciting. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your box this month. Did we get the same things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know. But yeah guys, that completes this video. That was everything I got in this month's BOXYCHARM. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to request videos you want to see from me next. Leave them in the comments below. I love you guys so much. Did I say thank you guys so much for watching? Yes. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.